one go. Okay, so I guess I'm like a Scrum Master, so let me lead the stand-up if you don't mind. Okay, maybe let me share the screen real quick. That's weird. I cannot share another screen because I have a second monitor. Give me a sec. That will be on the video. You'll see how dumb I am trying to figure out how to use this UI.
There's a sort of a button at the bottom left.
Bottom left. Yeah, I see it, but it suggests me to share my current screen, not the external monitor. So it's something I struggle with. Okay, I can share this screen. It's not a problem. Sorry, you'll see yourself probably once again. Oh no, it seems to be working fine right now. You should be able to see Trello board.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, so let's summarize what we've done and what issues we have and what we're going to do next. So first of all, thanks everybody. That was a nice collaboration. I think we finished with everything we promised to deliver. So we implemented Escape, Explore. I wrote some integration tests. So what do we have here? Write test cases. Okay, backtracking edge cases in the progress and fill out the cook
Yeah.
report submission. Okay, in the progress.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So is it safe to move it to done, or should we firstly merge it to the master branch? What do you think?
Yeah, I think we can merge it and then ticket is done, and then we can perhaps create.
Yeah.
I don't know if there needs to be anything more done on Explore, but on the Escape one, there definitely is more stuff to do. So we could add a new task and then divide up how we want to do that.
One more thing to mention here. You would probably get a merge conflict because I think imports were different in those two pull requests. So that's something to have in mind. Whoever will be merging the last, yeah, he'll need to resolve this merge conflict. But apart from that, I think it's safe to move them to done.
Yeah.
I think I can write more integration tests. I don't specifically need another backlog item for that. So let's keep it in progress if you don't mind. Okay, and as we discussed, we will probably need the next step is to implement enhanced Explorer, escape method. So I'll assign it to everybody, and everyone is going to implement their own version, and then we'll compare the performance and choose the one that performs the best. Are we aligned?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay. Try this one. Okay, let it be in progress then.
A bit of healthy competition.
Yeah. And the last thing to discuss is the issue we have with Dennis, not specifically you, but the GitHub issue we have. We'll need to somehow resolve. So, as a backup plan, so my understanding is that we are waiting a response from repo authors. Is that correct, Dennis?
Yeah, that's right. Martin said he's looking into it on his end, and he should get back to me shortly. But I was thinking, as an interim solution, maybe you could download it as a zip file and share it with me, so then I can work on it, and then I can share the files with you over. And then you could, I mean, if it gets resolved by midweek, that's fine. But this at least gets me moving. It unblocks me for the time being. But yeah, I mean, it's also, I don't know if you saw in the chat, there's someone else who's having the same experience, so it's not like a specific issue with me potentially. Which I guess is a good sign. It might be something to do with the system, so Martin might be able to resolve it.
Yeah, it's very strange because it worked fine for us only 2 weeks ago, or whenever it was, a week and a half ago.
Yeah,
so it's the same process, so I don't see why it would be new.
As if they changed rules.
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
But let's merge our changes to master branch, and then I'll share the repo, or anybody else can share the repo with Dennis. I think you'll be able to work on unit tests as well if you would like to continue working on the unit tests. But if you'd like to perform this last task, enhanced explorer, you can do it as well.
Cool. I'll have a look at what the unit tests are now and see if there's anything that comes to mind that I could add to it. But then, the main thing I'll be working on is that enhanced explorer escape.
Okay.
Do we know how much work the report is? I haven't really looked at it. Is there a great deal to be done, or is it quite?
I wouldn't say it's a great deal. I've already filled it out partially. The bits that we can fill out.
Good.
Just because since I've been blocked this week, I thought I might as well make progress on something.
Thanks for
that. But once I get the zip file, I can have a look through what everyone's done and fill out a bit more. Then I'll put it in the group chat, maybe as like a Word document. We can all edit at the same time. So then we can.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Fill it out.
So it's not like thousands and thousands of words. Then it's quite short.
No. Okay. No, you can. It comes with a built-in template anyway. If you go.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, just trying to figure out, because there's doing another module at the same time, so just trying to figure out. There's 2,000 words for that one, so it's like
I didn't see a Word request for this one.
Okay, cool.
Or like a Word requirement.
I don't think we'll have an issue with the import.
Does it work?
No, I'm just reading the code and comparing. I don't think we'll have an issue.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, we can try merging escape, and then try merging this one later on after the review. I haven't.
Can we like merge them in a different branch, or like merge them in master? I want to do that. I'm not sure how. Like merge both requests into a different branch, test them, and then merge them to a master. Somehow, I don't know.
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
I'm saying I want to try merging escape and explore in a different branch that isn't master. Test them, and then like if things work out, or like if there's issues, fix them, and then merge to master.
Yeah, that can work, but usually what we do in our company is that whoever merges first, it's okay, it will be in the master, and then you'll get, for example, if we merge implement escape first, then it will go to the master without any problems. Then if we try to merge explorer, because of these lines are being changed as well, there will be a merge conflict, and you'll be notified about that, and you won't be able to merge it unless you get changes from master branch to explorer. So you need to merge master to explorer, resolve all the conflicts, and then I think it will be okay to merge.
I get it.
Yeah, an extra step, not a pleasant one, but it's not a big deal. If you need any help, just ping me. We can figure it out.
So I hit merge on the escape implementation.
Sorry? Come again?
I can click merge on the escape
if no one else minds.
Yeah, please do.
Okay. All right, I will do that.
You can do it, or I can do it right now, how you wish.
I've just done it. Great. I beat you to it.
Okay, so let's check if what I said is correct. Yeah, so there's a conflict. Maybe I can resolve it as is right now. So I can try it in line. Let me check. So we need probably to leave this one. It will cover everything.
Oh, I see, because it's the same file, isn't it? Yeah, of course.
So let's do this and this and this. Probably should work. Do we have any other conflicts here? No. So let's mark as resolved. So it'll commit merge message. Sorry, a merge commit. Here it is. merge master into explorer. Now it should be fine. So if you guys are okay with that, we can even merge it right now. Or
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
okay. Let me just briefly glance through the code. Yeah, it's fine. It's very similar to what I've implemented on my end when I was testing. If your guys are okay, or if you need more time to review it, we can do it later offline.
I'm happy.
Yeah, I'm too. What Dennis would say, can we merge it?
I can go for it.
Great. So let me prove it. Merge it. Do we have build fail? That's an interesting thing. That's why we use CI/CD. Okay, I look into that. That's interesting. I guess we shouldn't be able to merge it until we fix this issue with the build.
Yeah.
Okay, then CI/CD works. Great to know that.
Yeah, that's good to know.
Okay, we'll look into that offline and merge it and get you notified. Okay, anything else to discuss?
Nothing from my end, I don't think.
I don't think so. I think that's everything. So yeah, so for the next week, it's basically we each have a go at an escape.
Yeah.
Like an optimized escape version that collects gold, and then we come back on Saturday and see which one's the best.
Yeah.
Okay, that sounds good to me.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks very much. Nice to see you again.
Everyone, thanks everyone.
See ya.
Alright,
Bye.
have a nice day.